If your e-commerce storefront is set up to sell yearbooks or ads, you'll have a corresponding sales page in your yearbook software. The features on this page will help advisors easily manage your orders and generate reports. Let's start with the Summary tab. At the very top, you'll see your current storefront status. Click to open your yearbook store in a new tab. Below that is a snapshot overview of current sales for the season. The Details tab gives you a more in-depth view of your orders, by product type, and within a specified date range. Click Order Report for a customizable sales report, organized by yearbooks or by products. You can also adjust what information appears in your report by clicking Column Visibility. You can click a column header to sort data. And if you're looking for a specific order, use the Search feature. If you'd like to save or share a report, you can print it or export as a PDF or an Excel file right from here. For orders placed outside of the online store, simply click the Add Offline Orders button to enter the details so that all of your orders stay in one place. Finally, be sure to check the knowledge base for a set of ready-to-print posters and flyers to help maximize sales. With a little effort, you can increase your profits and make sure everyone gets a copy of your amazing yearbook.